Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm gonna show you how to maintain, clean up, and how to pimp your Sebenza 21, in this case large, by Chris Reeve knives. So for this one you're gonna need a clip, like because yeah, I'm not really a fan of this clip right over here, and I got this millet clip which is inlaid with a nice piece of carbon fiber which is matching the pattern of the inlays itself, and a nice carbon fiber back spacer custom made with the same matching pattern right there. And you're gonna need Allen key number 2 for the whole operation. So just gonna start unscrewing the pivot right over here, and I like to keep them in order, so 1, 2, 3 screws, so they're gonna go back to the same place where they came from. All right. Third, just keep it squeezed a little bit because it has the tendency to pop off, and just you can wiggle a little bit like that. There you go. That's done. Next, let's clean it up a little bit with some alcohol swabs, like so. Right. Let's clean up the washer right over here. The other washer is over here. So the small one always goes in the lock side. Tolerances, guys, on this one are incredible. I mean, truly, truly incredible. Okay, clean up also this area here. That's the pivot, and this is the one in the back. We're gonna remove the lanyard pin with the lanyard as well. Okay, cool. We can even do this one. Like so. And just clean underneath. All right. Very good. Next, we are going to put this back together, going backwards. So basically what you want to do is just to put like this guy in, stop pin ring right over there. This guy is gonna go in, don't forget the spacer right there, and then back spacer is gonna use the stop pin hole, and it's gonna just go around like that, and it's gonna shoulder kind of like onto that. All right. So next up, you need some Chris Reeve knives grease right over here. Just give it a little bit of shake, and then you wanna just a tiny amount right over there. Okay. And then what I like to do, just this much, right? Just not that much, just a little bit. And this is gonna be for the washers, the small one. Maybe just a tad more, yeah, not too much. And also here, just a little bit more, because this side has a larger washer. So just do like this, okay? And you see, like this pockets are gonna just hold the grease in place, and they're gonna be beautifully smooth. Okay, so next up, you just place the handle together. You put the handle together, sorry, and then you go back, and I like to place this screw in the screwdriver like this, all right? And then just do like that, because the tolerances, even in the screws, are so tight that they're not gonna fall off, sorry. And then this guy is gonna go here. Don't tighten this all the way down, just, you see, half a turn. So this needs to be a little loose. You want a little bit of play. And then we're gonna unscrew the clip. The clip is always very, very tight. You replace with this pretty cool millet clip with the matching carbon fiber pattern right over there. This is the right clip, guys. Of course, that's the way to do it. Beautiful. Okay, so now this is in, and we are almost done. So this guy can go back to the box, and so basically you want to align the bushing pivot like so. It has to be flush with the washer, like on both sides, all right? And then you just slide it in, and when it's here you just pinch these two scales like that and have this just slide in just like that. Don't worry if your lube is gonna go that way, it's absolutely fine, all right? Just make sure you push the blade almost like in place, so it has to be like that. You have to be able to see through. Take the pin from the back, and now just unlock the lock bar, disengage the lock bar, and you're gonna be basically good to go. This guy again goes here, and then this guy goes in like that. So I want to show you guys a little trick. Okay, if your Sebenza has let's say a late lockup, all right, you can improve it with this little trick. So you just keep it like that. Thumb goes on the lock side, and medium finger goes on the presentation side, all right? So make sure that it's not fully tightened like that, and also the pivot just a little bit like that. And then you press this way up and this side down, all right? Keep the blade halfway and just start tightening from the bottom like so, all right? Like this. You tighten this and you tighten your pivot like that, perfectly centered. Let's check the lockup. Nice, like 40%. And ooh, this is glass on glass level of smoothness, guys. Beautiful. And this is how basically you pimp a large Sebenza 21 with a nice back spacer and a nice pocket clip matching with a matching inlay. Beautiful. Very nice. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.